Ukrainian military forces have successfully struck the Jankoy Air Base, located in the northern part of Russian-occupied Crimea. Ukraine's military intelligence reported that the strike damaged 4 S-400 air defense launchers, 3 radars, including the 92N6E Gravestone multi-mode engagement radar, an air defense command and control center, and other surveillance equipment. The ATACMS guerrilla movement stated that the occupiers had such confidence in their newest air defense system that they placed warehouses with missiles directly near the launchers. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky confirmed that Kyiv was behind the strike and thanked his top military commander, Colonel General Oleksandr Syrsky, for organizing the operation. In this video, we analyze why the S-400 couldn't defend itself against ATACMS fired from HIMARS. Let's get started. The S-400 is playing a crucial role in the Ukraine war, serving as a protective umbrella for Russian forces. Interestingly, the system has also been modified to strike ground targets. This modification is mainly due to the low supply of surface-to-surface missiles like the Iskander. A notable example occurred on January 14, 2023, when S-400 48N6DM anti-aircraft missiles targeted Kyiv, the capital of Ukraine. The S-400 Triumph air defense weapon system was developed by Russia's ATACMS Central Design Bureau in the 1990s as an upgrade to the S-300 family. The S-400 has been in service with the Russian armed forces since 2007. It is designed to defend against various aerial threats, including 5th-generation stealth fighters, bombers, AWACS, cruise missiles, and ballistic missiles. It is considered one of the most potent air defense systems in the world. The S-400 air defense system consists of radar, a command and control center, and interceptor missiles. It can track hundreds of targets at once, engage up to 36 targets simultaneously, and launch 72 missiles in parallel. The S-400 uses multiple radars depending on the threat perception. The primary radar is either the 91N6E Big Bird Acquisition and Battle Management Radar or the 92N6E Gravestone Multimode Engagement Radar. The Gravestone is a critical component of the system, representing a significant advancement from its predecessor, the Soviet-era 30N6E, with enhanced missile range and digital capabilities. The S-400 has a range of around 600 kilometers. The main radar is complemented by target acquisition radars like the 67N6 Gamma DE, some of which have the ability to detect stealth aircraft. The S-400 deploys multiple missiles to cover its strike envelope, including the 40N6 missile, which has a range of 400 kilometers. The M142 High Mobility Artillery Rocket System, HIMARS, is a lightweight multiple rocket launcher developed in the late 1990s for the United States Army. It is mounted on a standard Army M1140 truck frame. The system has undergone many upgrades, including improvements to its targeting software for better accuracy. HIMARS can cover a distance of 480 kilometers on a single refueling and can travel at a maximum speed of 85 kilometers per hour. It can be reloaded in about a minute with only a small crew. The use of a wheeled chassis, rapid deployment, and dismantling capabilities, along with digital fire control, allow HIMARS to effectively use hit-and-run tactics. It has a universal pod that can accommodate 6 unguided or guided missiles of 227mm caliber or 1 MGM-140 ATACMS with a diameter of 610mm. The M142 HIMARS can fire a wide range of rockets and missiles. 1. The vehicle can fire standard rockets at a maximum range of 45 kilometers. 2. With GMLRS, guided MLRS, the system can reach a land target at a maximum range of 75 kilometers. GMLRS integrates a 90-kilogram unitary warhead. Guided MLRS rockets have a reliability rating exceeding 98%. All 6 GMLRS rockets can be fired in under a minute. 3. HIMARS can strike up to 300 kilometers with the MGM-140 Army Tactical Missile System, ATACMS. ATACMS is a surface-to-surface missile, SSM, manufactured by the U.S. defense company Lockheed Martin. It is 4.0 meters in length, 610 millimeters in diameter, and weighs 1,670 kilograms. It has GPS-aided inertial navigation for guidance. ATACMS has several variants with different types of payloads, such as submunition warheads and unitary warheads. Given that the base is about 150 kilometers from the front lines, the use of ATACMS seems most likely. Recent reports indicate that the U.S. has secretly provided some ATACMS to Ukraine. This is not the first time HIMARS has been used to neutralize an S-400 system. On July 14th last year, Ukraine's Center for Strategic Communication and Information Security, STRATCOM, asserted in a tweet that a Ukrainian HIMARS MLRS, High Mobility Artillery Rocket System, had effectively neutralized the Russian S-400 launcher responsible for the attack on the town of Kramatorsk in Donetsk Oblast on June 27th. Due to its ballistic nature and high speeds of more than Mach 3 during the terminal phase of flight, ATACMS is difficult to intercept compared to other types of missiles, such as subsonic air-breathing cruise missiles. Its smaller size, compared to a cruise missile like a Tomahawk, also helps it evade interception. It seems the S-400 is not capable of detecting or properly tracking incoming ATACMS missiles. If Ukrainians can pinpoint the exact location of the S-400 and fire a salvo of ATACMS, it could neutralize the system. However, it is important to note that the S-400 is mobile and can swiftly change location, so any such ambush would need to be meticulously executed. Additionally, viewers should note that on the battlefield, the S-400 is supposed to be protected by short-range systems like Panzer S-1 or Tor, which are designed to defend against threats such as small drones and systems like HIMARS. If these protective systems are not present or not functioning as intended, which is often the case with many Russian systems, the S-400 can be vulnerable. Overall, it can be stated that the S-400 is not as invincible as some Russian experts claim,